Hello! Welcome to Wheeler Detailers. In this video we're gonna do some deep floor mat cleaning and protecting with the colourlock ST001 Allround Textile Sealant. Summer is coming to an end slowly, and with that it's always a good idea after your summer vacation or your holiday to clean and tidy up your car, especially also your interior. A lot of people forget about it. They think car washing is done. Also the interior. So, and with that we're also gonna pay some attention to the floor mats here in front of me. We're gonna give them a good vacuum, a proper clean, and I also want to give them some protection. That's what I'm gonna use this new Koch Chemie product for, because autumn is around the corner, and with that probably see some more rain as we did in the last months. And with rain, streets are wet, you're gonna enter your car with some wet shoe soles, and with that you probably will create some stains again in your floor mats. And I want to see how good this product would work with protection. So enough said, let's go to work. So first thing first, let's start with vacuuming. But I'm going to use the vacuumer, and I'm going to use the polisher with an old pad that I don't use for paint anymore to loosen all the online dirt, sand and debris. Let's go. So as you could have seen, I'm always vacuuming in two directions because the fibers are going in one direction or the other. So I'm always vacuuming, let's say, top and down, and right and left. And we could have seen also that, you can see here already what happens when you go with your pad over the, in this case, not so dirty carpet. All the sand particles come up out of the carpet fibers, and with that they are very easy to vacuum. Yeah, with that you can do a much better vacuuming job than without. So that was the vacuuming part. So I'm gonna give it a cleaning, in this case with our dcon CIA, this one. So give it a couple of sprays more, and I'm gonna agitate it with our nifty brush, and with that release stains which on a black carpet like this are not so good visible. To go in two directions. The brush needs some cleaning as well, so we need to rinse it out after use. Use nifty brush. I just scrub it clean over the mid slide. The carpets. So let me use some compressed air, in this case out of the sidekick blower, to clean the top end of the fibers of this floor mat. See here a little bit of a stubborn stain. Koch Chemie's or colourlock Allround Textile Sealant. So you can use this on pretty much convertible tops, seats, floor mats, pretty much for that. So my idea is in this case to tape off half, so we have a good comparison. Spray on as a light mist evenly, and then wipe in one direction with a microfiber towel. And then let dry. So I'm going to give that a go. So the day after, yesterday we applied 2 layers of this Allround Textile Sealant from Koch Chemie. And we did this part of the floor mat, and this part we didn't. So here I've got a bottle of tap water to see how we go. By spraying we can see that the water stays relatively alright on top. But how would it go if I would just pour on some water? That looks quite nice, eh? That looks quite nice. Not bad at all. And can I take the rest of the water easy off with a towel? Pretty good. And if I would do like, let's say like a long session, I'm actually quite happy with the result, to be honest. So yeah, I think this will do. Protect the floor mats in the weather months ahead, since it's getting autumn soon. So yeah, on the product by itself, I think it's quite alright. But I hope this video helps you to clarify it and to give you a good idea on how this product can work for you. I want to remove the masking tape. So this part is unprotected, this part is protected. So let's see how we go. Yeah, that's quite obvious. Koch Chemie / colourlock Allround Textile Sealant. I think I already summed it up, everything. If you got some questions on this product or on how to clean or how to protect floor mats and upholstery in general, write it here below. You can chat with us over the website, use the web app function, or email us info@carpetcleaning.eu. If you'd like to know more about interior cleaning and detailing, then click on the pop-up banner for a full video where we do some proper interior cleaning and use the water extractor / vacuumer as well. Thank you all very much for watching. See you guys and girls in the next video. I'm out.